Getting your new HVAC employee up to speed fast means setting them up with a training plan that actually works and helps them grow in the company. So, first off, let your newbie rotate through shifts with your top experienced technicians. That way, they get a feel for different styles and techniques instead of just one way of doing things. Make sure you break down the learning into clear, step-by-step goals, like mastering basic system checks before moving on to complex diagnostics. Keep the tasks varied too, so they handle everything from installation to repair and maintenance. It keeps things interesting and builds real confidence. Regular check-ins are clutch. Ask how they're feeling about their progress and tweak the training if needed. Don't forget to encourage questions because, honestly, nobody learns by pretending to know everything. Also, a little positive feedback goes a long way to boost their motivation. Finally, give them access to some good HVAC resources online or in print so they can keep learning outside of work hours. One of the biggest mistakes employers make when training new HVAC hires is throwing them into the deep end without proper guidance, which causes confusion and slow progress. Fix this by structuring a clear, step-by-step training plan with measurable milestones so they always know what's next. Another common issue is not exposing new employees to a variety of job types, so they only get good at one thing, which limits their growth and usefulness. Rotate them through different tasks and teams to build a well-rounded skill set. Lastly, ignoring feedback from the trainee can lead to frustration and missed learning opportunities. Make those check-ins a priority to catch any issues early and adjust the training accordingly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making choosing help way less stressful. Plus, for contractors, it's a great platform to find new clients and grow their business without all the headaches of marketing on their own.